Alright, so I stumbled upon this recipe online when I was looking up fat bombs, and it's kind of similar to something that I used to make when I was doing Atkins with cream cheese and Jello, and I happen to have sugar-free Jello and all the ingredients to make these, so I decided to try. So this is what you'll need. The measuring cup is to represent the boiling water, heavy whipping cream, sour cream, and sugar-free Jello. Alright, so the recipe I found said 2 cups of boiling water, but I looked close at their box and they had double that size, so I'm going to take it down just to 1 cup boiling water. And they also said bring the water to a boil on the stove, which I'm not going to do. I'm going to microwave this cup of water for 5 minutes because then it'll be boiling. Alright, so this was boiling after 3 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and put my Jello in and stir till it dissolves as the instructions say. Alrighty, that is good and dissolved, so into my mixer it goes. And then I am adding half a cup, let me turn this around so I can see my measurings. Half a cup of heavy whipping cream. Dun, dun, dun. And half a cup of sour cream. I don't know how this is going to work. I'm very curious what this tastes like. Before, when I did it with cream cheese, it used to be you would dissolve it in 1 cup of water, and then it would just be like 8 ounces of cream cheese, and you would put it in the blender like that, and then blend it, and then refrigerate it. So this is just a different way of doing it. Instead of using whipped cream, you're using sour cream and heavy whipping cream. So I'm curious how different the taste is. And I'm going to blend that. I'm going to put mine in these little 2-ounce ramekins. So hopefully if I did the math right, I only need 8 of them, but I have 2 extra just in case. And I'm going to pour these puppies in there, and hopefully I do it well and I don't spill. Turns out it was 13 of these puppies. I'm going to put these in the fridge and let them cool and let you guys know how they were in about an hour or 2 hours maybe, I don't know.